In today's video, I'm going to teach you accessing the database tool. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it in your Replit app workspace and how to open it quickly, so you can start working with your data without any confusion. First, let's use the workspace layout to our advantage. Look to the left side of your Replit window and find the tool dock. It's the vertical panel where Replit keeps all the tools you can use while building your projects. Within that panel, click on All Tools. This shows a catalog of everything available to you. From there, locate the entry labeled Database. Click Database and Replit will open the database tool right inside your workspace. This is the most direct route and is great when you're already browsing tools and want to jump straight into managing your data. If you prefer a faster search-driven approach, you can also open the database tool from the top of the workspace. Find the magnifying glass icon at the top and click it to activate the search bar. Type Replit database into the search field and then select it from the results that appear. This method is especially handy if you're not sure where a tool lives in the dock or you're working on a small screen and want to avoid scrolling through the entire tool list. Once the database tool is open, you'll see an interface designed for quick, straightforward data work. Replit database is a simple key value store, PAHA, which means you save information as pairs, like a name and its associated value. You can view existing entries, add new ones, and check that your app is reading and writing correctly, all without leaving your coding environment. If you're just getting started, it's helpful to note that this tool is built to be lightweight and easy to use, so you don't need to configure complex connections to get basic functionality working. A quick recap before we wrap up. You can access the database tool in two ways. The first is through the left tool dock by opening all tools and selecting database. The second is through the top search bar. Click the magnifying glass, type Replit database, and pick it from the results. Choose whichever path feels more natural for your workflow. That's all you need to open the database tool confidently. In your next session, try both methods and see which one fits your habits best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.